In today's energy market, reliable power is no longer optional. For homes, businesses, distributors, installers, and project developers, every system must be built to perform not only in ideal conditions, but in real-world environments where power stability matters every day. At Enga, we believe that reliable energy starts with reliable manufacturing. From lithium battery modules to complete energy storage systems, our products are developed with practical engineering, standardized production, and quality-focused inspection throughout the manufacturing process. Every detail matters, from cell selection and module assembly to electrical connection, protection design, system testing, and final product verification. Our solutions are designed for a wide range of energy applications, including residential backup power, solar self-consumption, commercial energy storage, weak grid support, and remote site energy projects. For homeowners, Enga provides dependable energy storage for daily power security. For businesses, we support more stable operation and better energy management. For installers and EPC partners, we offer equipment that is practical to install, easier to integrate, and ready for scalable project deployment. Enga is more than a product supplier. We are building a complete energy solution platform that connects hybrid inverters, lithium batteries, commercial energy storage, and project-based technical support. Reliable energy, practical solutions. Power your next project with confidence.